ignore them in my next video because I am a genius. I'm better than Warren Buffett. He would have bought Smile Direct Club if he was my age. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, what just happened to Smile Dizzy? Smile Dizzy my Izzy. Smile Direct Club. Is that what Jeremy calls it? Smile my idol! Smile Direct Club just got freaking obliterated. Now, this is one of those stocks that I've made fun of Jeremy about. And it was for good reason. Because it's highly speculative, unprofitable trash. And I warned you clowns not to listen to Jeremy LaFoo-Foo because he was going to lead you down the wrong path. Instead of listening to that freaking clown, you should match your tax advantage accounts and buy Total World Stock Market Index funds. That's right, I said it. Get over it. Now, Smile Direct Club just got freaking obliterated. Down 22%. Why? Well, Smile Direct Club blames macroeconomic factors as Q3 earnings miss estimates. Smile Direct Club has lost 20% in the post-market after they lagged the street forecasts. Jeremy, shouldn't you have predicted this, LaFoo-Foo? Come on, bro. I thought you were the younger Warren Buffett, but smarter. Contrasting the top-line growth recorded in the previous 2 quarters, revenue declined 18% year over year. Woo! Jeez!
We are disappointed with our third quarter results driven by macroeconomic headwinds that are influencing the spending of our core demographic.
With a modest sequential improvement in gross profit. Whoa, that's something exciting. See, that's what Jeremy will focus on.
Oh, well, their gross margin went up, so just buy the dip, bro.
The net loss contracted by 106% to $89 million. Oh, they only lost $89 million. Very interesting. For 2021, the company has lowered the projections for revenue and gross margin to between 630 to 650 and 70% from 570 to 800 million. So basically, everything has been freaking slashed, and they're blaming
macroeconomic factors.
Now let's go look at some of the previous earnings and financial data associated with this company. Very interesting. So the one thing I notice is disruption and revenue growth. That's all the foo-foo does. Looking at this, revenue growth, pretty hefty, except for the last year or so. Started at 145 million in 2017, up to 420 million in 2018, 750 million in 2019. Dropped during the virus, okay. And then over the last 12 months, it's grown decently. So, I always say that LaFoo-Foo's strategy is disruption, revenue growth, and he doesn't care about anything else. For example, if you go down and look at net income available to stockholders, I see a lot of negative there. Lots of negative. Basic earnings per share looks like it's negative and increasing every year. And they don't even have one for the last 12 months. Same thing for diluted. Let's see about share issuances. Have they issued more shares? Wow. Seems like they actually bought some shares back, but then they have diluted shares increase. So I don't know what to say about that, but maybe they haven't been issuing shares that much. Let's go look at the cash flows, okay? Operating cash flow, negative, 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 negative. Wow. I'm really thinking about buying this company now. Let's see, net issuance of common stock. They've actually bought common stock back, it looks like, except for a massive issuance in 2019. So, free cash flow, negative, 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 negative. Interesting. Now, when LaFoo-Foo looks at this, revenue growth! And, of course, he makes these stupid little videos. Look what he made here.
Just found my next 2x fast stock.
Dislike LaFoo-Foo? So when he made this video, pumping it to his fans, because who cares? You know, it's Jeremy LaFoo-Foo. It looks like it had dipped by 24% down to $5. So he made this video, and I'm sick of watching his videos, but he probably said, oh, buy the dip, you know, it went down a lot, so it must go back up. That's not how stocks work. Stocks can keep dipping and dipping and dipping if their fundamentals are trash. That's what happens when you buy an unprofitable company. Very speculative, and a small miss in earnings or revenue could plummet the stock, which is exactly what freaking happened here. Annihilation, down 22%. Wonder how many of his fans bought into the stock because of this video. 2x fast. Like, look at this thumbnail. Does this scream long-term investor to you? 2x fast! Jesus freaking Christ. Look at the third video down. That's mine. So I actually made a video about Smile Direct Club 2 months ago. You can go watch it, but I told you it's freaking trash. And look what happens. It crashed. Now, we also had somebody else talk about Smile Direct Club. I don't know if he promoted it, but he did have a freaking 36-minute interview with the CEO of Smile Direct Club. Now, I don't know what he said. Maybe he just said, okay, you guys should go look into it, but he's still promoting the stock. And I wonder if he was actually paid to come on here and promote it. I don't know. I can't confirm that, so I'm not going to say it. But what's the lesson here, ladies and gentlemen? What have I been saying the whole time? Jeremy LaFufu and his little younger brother, Meatspin, or maybe it's the other way around, they're freaking scumbags that have no idea what they're doing. They pump a bunch of hype stocks, they promise you you're going to get rich quick, and by promising you that, they convince you to sign up for their courses. Jeremy charges a buttload of money, a lot of freaking money. When I called there, they quoted me up to 20 grand. There's different tiers. Meatspin, you can go look at his freaking courses. They go up to like $800. He always has a discount, 69% off. But they're just there to steal your freaking money, okay? So right now, I'm going to sit here and bask in my glory of the annihilation of Smile Direct Club. I mean, why would you buy this stock? I mean, there's no freaking PE ratio. It has just been losing money hand over fist. The only good thing is the revenue growth, and even that has been impacted pretty significantly. So I just don't get it, man. I don't understand why these guys are so popular. Perhaps could it be Tesla? La Tesla! Yep. And once Tesla goes, these clowns go. Hopefully. Anyway, I'm the third video on the list. Moving up in the world, ladies and gentlemen. So that's it. If you're buying unprofitable garbage companies, expect this to happen, okay? If you're listening to YouTubers that tell you you're going to 2x fast, expect this to happen. That's just what happens. Now, my last message to you, ladies and gentlemen. Max Your Tax Advantage Accounts by Total World Index Funds. Oh, and you can buy my book as well. See, my book, it's $3 on Amazon, and it tells you about insurance, cash, investing. And it's not going to tell you to buy a bunch of unprofitable garbage companies. I actually teach you how to build wealth in the long run and keep it sustainable. You listen to clowns like this, you're going to get your cheeks clapped. You'll be down at the truck stop or down at the stables with the cowboys selling your butt. That's it. Like, subscribe. Tell your friends about me. Y'all have a wonderful night. Choo!